So eventually, having done the preparation shooting on this little inlet, we went out onto the big river, and there were, I think, there were two boats, I think, at that time on that scene. We did all the close stuff we did before on the little inlet, where I had one light, one 500-watt pub, lighting, simulating the light coming from this lantern, and fortunately, the fishing boats had a little sort of like a little hut, like a little shelter in the middle, which was open-ended at both ends, so you could shine the light in and hide the pup by carefully positioning the boat, so the actual cover, the actual shelter, hid the electric light. But the electric light had to be powered. There were cables running under the sea, under the water to our launch or raft. I can't quite remember whether, I think it was a raft. Anyway, and on which was the generator, you see. So this whole expedition set off into the middle of this river. And although there wasn't any much wind or anything, the river had quite a strong current. So controlling this operation was quite difficult. And at one time, I remember I was so annoyed that my instructions weren't being followed, which was due to the problems, due to the difficulties and compositions. I had this little metal megaphone, and I smashed the megaphone on the side of the boat and actually cut my hand. I was so upset. And then the last shot, the shot where it says you pan the boat into the rising dawn, was actually quite complicated, because you can imagine the dawn is rising and speed is of the essence, and yet to control the boat, let alone the two boats, you say now that's when I smashed the megaphone, I think, because first, second, third attempts didn't work. We had to redo it, and the dawn was coming up more and more and more. So, but we did get the shot in the end. But that wasn't easy, I can tell you.